wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best drone charging stations. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the anbee power bank has plenty of room to fill a variety of devices. In addition to topping up 6 DJI Spark batteries, it can also zap 2 machines with USB ports. Outdoorsy types who can't live without their electronics should give it strong consideration. It includes a built-in LED flashlight and is easy to stash in a backpack. However, there are lots of pieces to keep track of. At number 9, it looks more like a high-tech bucket than a battery dock, but the Spinido Phantom is capable of juicing things up without incident thanks to the additional exhaust outlets on the bottom that prevent overheating from damaging your equipment. It's made of aviation-grade plastic and it's easy to insert and remove cells, but the connections tend to be loose. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the smatree Intelligent holds enough electricity to charge 5 Mavic batteries, but only 2 at a time, so you'll have to prioritize. If you have more than a couple of power cells, you'll also need to make arrangements to carry them, adding bulk to your load. It's equipped with a sturdy silicone handle and you can take it on airplanes. However, it is on the expensive side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drone charging stations, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the DJI Part 24 has a USB port for you to power your cell phone or tablet, ensuring that you're still able to see everything underneath your machine as it glides along. It adjusts the current to suit the temperature, reducing the risk of overheating. It doubles as storage when not in use and is lightweight and easily portable, but note that you have to cool the batteries before using it. Moving up our list to number 6, the anbee Parallel has a trio of simple lights on the side that keep you updated on the status of your refueling efforts. It tracks each cell individually, so you'll know exactly when one's fresh enough to swap out, and you'll never pull out a dud prematurely. It works quickly and efficiently, and is equipped with a surge protection chip. However, it's not terribly portable. Halfway up our list at number 5. The anbee Multi can house 3 or 4 batteries at a time, so you can be prepared for hours of flying once everything is sufficiently juiced up. It can fill all those units in about 70 minutes as well, limiting how long you'll be waiting to get back in the air. This one tracks voltage and current and comes with an easy-to-read display window, but it doesn't have any USB ports. At number 4, with room for 4 small lithium-ion options, the fstop Labs Rapid can keep you airborne as much as possible. It boasts intelligent charge control and separate power rails to ensure nothing cooks too long or melts down, saving you some dough in the process. This one's available for multiple drone types and weighs less than a pound. It makes a good backup charger. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the smatree DT30 is small enough to slip into your pants pocket, but still capable of filling 3 DJI Tello units simultaneously. It's ideal for travel, even though it's a little on the slow side, as the convenience it offers more than makes up for that. This is a good budget option with a convenient micro USB port. It pairs well with a Wi-Fi extender. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drone charging stations, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, make sure everything is ready for takeoff while you're on the way to the launch pad with the rcgeek 7-in-1. It plugs into your car's cigarette lighter, giving you a ton of freedom and flexibility when it comes to keeping all of your toys up and running. It's got a compact footprint and a built-in cooling fan, and it charges 2 USB devices as well. And coming in at number 1 on our list, you don't have to stay at home waiting for everything to be ready if you have the smatree Portable. Once you charge the internal power bank, you can take it with you on the road to your next adventure, so you'll always have backups handy when you need them. It's equivalent to 6 PCS Spark batteries and great for camping. It's a sturdy construction. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drone charging stations, or simply click beneath this video.